Today's science experiment comes to you from the M&Ms Science YouTube channel. You will need a large flat glass bowl, a jug with some room temperature water in it, and M&Ms. Yes, tell your parents your teacher said that you can have some M&Ms for a science experiment, of course. Oh, by the way, no M&Ms were harmed in the filming of this video. Now this is a time lapse. This takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Watch closely to see when the little M actually separates from the M&M. There we go. Why does this happen? What you're going to do is go to this website, tap on the Experiments tab, and then Candy Science, and it explains it all to you. And you're going to tell me, when you respond in this activity, why does it happen? Hope you enjoy. Bye.